everyone, welcome to a new video. We're going to be trying something new today. I got the idea from Seri Pixel Biologist, so please go and check her series out because it's awesome. And so, disclaimer, I'm not a shipping person. I don't do ships. So I don't know a lot about a lot of the White Cat ships. I simply looked up what are the most popular ones, and I'm just going to do some of the ones that either never came to be or at least never had kits. So any comments that are negative, such as hating on the ship, hating on the reason that people ship them, etc., is going to be deleted. So please remain civil in the comments and let me know what ship I should do next. Which cat I should try their kits. And maybe you just think that these two cats are gorgeous and you'd want to see what their kits would look like, which is also fine. So anyway, I did not make these two cats. Found on the gallery. The Crystal Shine made Barley. And look at Barley, just look at him, he looks great. I actually changed his eyes to be a little more yellow than orange, since that was the description. And then RAVENPAW was made by Sturfail171. And this one was absolutely perfect. There were like some that were like all black or had too much white, but the description says he has white on his chest and tail, and that's it. So anyway, what we're gonna do, well, first let's look at the personality. He's a prowler because, well, he hunts for rats in the barn. He's clever and he's friendly. RAVENPAW is skittish, yes. Curious, to a fault, yes. And a prowler because he, again, also hunts for food. So now we have to put them together and see what happened if they somehow magically in a different universe had kits. So first is a male kit. I'm going to randomize 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it looks a lot like RAVENPAW, except it has 1 green eye and 1 yellow eye. Let's see what the traits are. Aloof, spoiled, and clever. So, got clever from Barley. So, it's so cute. It looks a lot like them. We'll have to see which one it looks more like when it ages up. So, let's go back to here. Mixed breed. My game always freezes for a second there. Another sun. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's another RAVENPAW, but the ears look slightly different. Yeah, see? The ears are closer together, and it's got Barley's eyes. So we're gonna do 4. Oh, it's a girl this time. Yay. God love little girls. That sounded creepy. I didn't mean it that way. Oh, wow. This one looks very different. What kind of cat is Barley? This is just cat and tuxedo. I'm guessing he must have been like, I don't know what kind of cat this is, but that must have been his base. Look at this little baby! Absolutely adorable. I forgot to do the traits. Skittish, territorial, and fluffy. So I got skittish from RAVENPAW. And you are curious, like RAVENPAW, aloof, and fluffy. So these two are both fluffy. And so I guess I don't know who they got that one from, but anyway, we have 1 more kit to make. Another son. 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, another Barley. Oh, this one looks just like this one. except has Barley's eyes. I don't know why I said another Barley. Another RAVENPAW that has Barley's eyes. That's really interesting. Like, we didn't get a single one that looked like Barley. And all 3 boys are black and white. That is really funny. So, what are your traits? Skittish, like curious, and mischievous. Wow, that one's a lot like RAVENPAW. So let's go back to this one. And I used a random name generator. Hold on. So this one's name is going to be Storm Echo. I think that's a pretty cool name. And now we're gonna age him up. Oh my gosh, look at him! He's got Barley's fur! He's got Barley's fur! Look at that! But he doesn't have Barley's face. No. That is so cool! Look at him! Oh, he's such a cutie! Now let's randomize his story, some lore. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a hoodie on. So I'm guessing... Oh, and curled ears. That is so cool. Aww. So he's got curled ears. That's not like either his father or either of his fathers, I guess. And he's got a sweater. That is pretty cute. I guess maybe he got adopted by 2 legs. Now this one's name is going to be Mountain Surge. What a name. And let's make you an adult. Also fluffy. It has a little more of Barley's face. Let's see. Yeah, this one has a little more of Barley's face too. Alright, Mountain Surge. 1, 2, 3. Oh my. Missing part of it is missing a leg, got a collar, and a toast hat. That is amazing. So, I guess he also got adopted by 2 legs because he's got a collar. And they like dressing him up in toast, and then he also lost a leg somehow. He's got a foot still, but he lost his leg, so I wonder what happened to him. Maybe he just, maybe he got in an accident before being adopted by 2 legs. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think happened. This one is Hibiscus Shadow. I don't know if I spelled that right. Let me check. Yes, Hibiscus Shadow. And now, to make an adult, fluffy like Barley. My gosh, none of them are sleek-furred. But she's got RAVENPAW's green eyes. Our only girl. Let's play with the clothing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it doesn't look like she has anything. Oh, but she has scars on her nose. So I guess Hibiscus Shadow stayed as a warrior cat. Yes. And she got in some sort of tussle and got some scars on her nose. So far this is the only one that didn't go live with 2 legs. And you get the last name I generated, which is Ivory Fluff, which doesn't really fit. But, whatever. Finally, one that's not fluffy. It's sleek first. This one looks exactly like RAVENPAW, except for the eyes. Except the face. The face is... Yeah, RAVENPAW's got bigger eyes. This one kind of looks like it's a little bored or angry. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's got little tufts of fur on his ears, and that's it. So I guess this one stayed in the wild too. I wonder if he became a medicine cat or a warrior. But he apparently was born with special ears, just like Storm Echo was. Well, those are all the cats that we created today. So if they had 4 kits, this is what they might look like. maybe not Hibiscus Shadow very much. But the other three definitely look like Ravenpaw. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys.